Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla headlight bulb. First, let's ensure you have everything needed for a smooth process. You will want to gather a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Most importantly, have the correct replacement bulb ready. Remember to wear protective gloves. Touching the new bulb's glass can shorten its lifespan due to skin oils. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Begin by opening your car's hood and securing it properly with the prop rod. Look behind the headlight assembly to find the bulb's housing. You will see an electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Carefully press the release tab on this connector and pull it straight off to disconnect the power supply. With the electrical connector removed, it's time to take out the old bulb. Many Toyota Corolla models allow you to simply twist the bulb socket or retaining ring counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn. Once unlocked, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Take a moment to examine the old bulb. This can sometimes indicate why it failed. Finally, let's install your new headlight bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring its tabs align with the grooves in the socket. Twist the bulb or its retaining ring clockwise until it feels securely locked. Reconnect the electrical connector, then turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly before you close the hood.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.